The Huawei Mate XT. Shout out to the one Sid for posting this on Twitter. Shout out to them because absolutely amazing. So this is the one Mate XT, the Tri-Foldable beauty we have talked about many times on this channel. And I just wanted to look at this because what this guy does is he takes three separate smartphones and shows how how humongous this display actually is. So this is a 10-inch display, and that right there obviously is an iPhone. Not sure if this is a Pro Max or a Pro. I'm going to guess a Pro Max if I had to guess. And we have a second one right here. And then we have a third one. Those three separate iPhones for literally one Mate XT. Which again, you know, right now we understand that Samsung probably will be coming out with some type of rollable cell phone in the near future. They're saying that early next year, Samsung's going to give us a rollable cell phone where you just click a button and then the screen rolls out even more so you can get a bigger display. But these tri-foldable phones, if they were more affordable and durability was 100% like good, I feel like they could be very successful. Like they could actually be a cell phone that a lot of people go for. It's just, again, it's all the question marks. But I mean, in theory, man, you got a full-on tablet when you're using it. I mean, this is a full-on 100% tablet. So very excited to see where this industry goes moving forward and how well it does. Because holy crap, is that thing massive. Now, the one thing I will say that is probably going to be an issue with this is the aspect ratio. I'm not sure how applications work with it because really there is only one out there right now with this Mate XT. So it's not like, you know, there's a lot of companies out there that are developing for this device because there really isn't a reason to. Other than, you know, this phone right here, there's no other tri-foldable phones really on the market. So until, again, this becomes a, you know, normalized thing, I'm going to guess software-wise, this is an absolute cluster fluff. I would say maybe not a cluster fluff. It is definitely probably not that great software-wise. Other than the basic applications that would work for it, obviously being, you know, the main launcher. But any other launcher, I would assume, is going to be a problem. But, I mean, still nice looking at it, still nice to see it, and our tablet of the future of today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. Leave a link down below in the description to this video if you'd like to check it out yourself.